Hello students, welcome to Rishikul Online School. It is chapter number 6 and lecture number 9 in which we are studying about the animal tissues. First type of animal tissue I have explained you, that was epithelial tissue. We have learnt about its types and structures, locations and all. Then next type of animal tissue is connective tissue, in which the cells are loosely packed. My dear students, in epithelial tissue, the cells were tightly packed. They form a continuous sheet. They were protective in nature. But the connective tissue, in connective tissue, the cells are loosely packed. And likewise, the epithelial tissue, it is also of 4 types. First is areolar tissue. Second is adipose tissue. Third is skeletal tissue. And fourth is fluid tissue. So these are the 4 types of connective tissue. In this video lecture, I am going to tell you the 2 types of connective tissues, that is areolar and adipose. So first is areolar tissue. It is also known as packaging tissue. Why it is called packaging tissue? It is called packaging tissue because it fills the space inside the organs. My dear students, the multicellular organism, I told you, the fundamental unit of life is cell. So multicellular organism is made up of cell. Cells group together to form tissues. Tissues group together to form organs. And if the organs have some spaces inside them, then those spaces are filled by areolar tissue. So now we will see that what is the location of areolar tissue. It is found between the skin, because if there is space between the skin, that space is filled with areolar tissue. Likewise, muscles around the blood vessels, nerve cells and in the bone marrow. Means wherever the spaces are present inside the organs, those spaces are filled with areolar tissue. Now, the types of this areolar tissue, it is of 2 types. First is tendon and second is ligament. Now my dear students, tendon, which connects muscles to bones. In our body, muscles are present, bones are present. So muscles and bones are connected with each other with tendon, which is the first type of areolar tissue. And bones are connected with ligament, which is the second type of areolar tissue. So this is the basic difference between tendon and ligament. That tendon connects muscles to bones and ligament connects bone to bone. And nature, if we talk about the nature of tendon and ligament, tendon is tough and non-elastic because it is connecting muscles to bones, and muscles help in the movement of the body. So the tendon need to be tough and non-elastic. And ligament, which is connecting bone to bone, is strong but elastic. Okay, so these are the 2 differences between tendon and ligament. These you must note in your notes, because this question is frequently asked in your exam also, that differentiate between tendon and ligament. So my dear students, it was the first type of connective tissue, that is areolar tissue. I told you that there are 4 types of connective tissues, out of which 2 types we will do in this video lecture and another 2 types we will do in next video lecture. So this was all about the first type of areolar tissue, its structure, its functions and its locations and its types in the difference form. Now next thing we will see that what is the second type of connective tissue. Second type of connective tissue is adipose tissue. Adipose tissue is a fat storing connective tissue. It stores the fat in our body and it acts as an insulator and prevents the loss of heat from the body. So it is the basic function of adipose tissue, that it acts as insulator and prevents the loss of heat from the body. Now where it is present? It is found below the skin, around the heart, brain and below eyeballs. So these are the locations of adipose tissue, which is the second type of connective tissue. So we have learnt about the areolar tissue and adipose tissue. Another two types of connective tissues we will do in my next video lecture. Thank you.